guys, it's me, Paige Turner, and this is theater week, so I thought we really should make an actual theater. Well, not an actual theater, it's kind of a little puppet theater. And here it is. Can you see what it's made out of? It's actually made out of a tissue box. And this is actually a puppet theater, so I also have some puppets here. I made that puppet. You can also use some stickers to make some puppets and put on a show. Now this project is kind of 3 projects in one, and that is because we actually have to make the theater itself. Then we're gonna make the puppets, and we're also going to make scenery. You're gonna be set designers for your theater and make scenery for your puppet show. So let's start with the theater. So for the tissue box theater, you're going to need a tissue box, some paint. I like some black paint and some red paint, 2 craft sticks, or you could use pencils, and some paintbrushes, and also some tape. That's all you need for the theater. Oh, I forgot. You're also gonna need some scissors. I'm always forgetting the scissors. I'm going to make this part of the theater, this top part. So I'm going to cut it around the top on 3 sides. First, open the sides of the box. So that's why I opened this up, to get the tissues out and also so I can cut it. So you want to make sure that you cut the back side. Don't cut the side that has this little window here, okay? We're gonna cut the back and the sides, but leave it where that little window is on the box. And I can cut these extra little flaps off too. Okay, now actually I didn't need to cut on those sides because I cut those flaps off, so the sides are already cut. But now this whole thing is kind of open like that. So now that it's open, it's gonna be easier to cut this plastic part out because I don't want that plastic part. So I'm just gonna cut it out. You might be able to just rip it off. All right, so now we have this kind of open box, but we're gonna put it back together with some tape. So now my box is back together, but notice how this part is pretty floppy? This one is standing up straight. Want to see why? This one, I put some popsicle sticks in to just hold it up straight, and I just taped them on to hold that part up. So we're gonna take 2 of these sticks. So I'm just gonna put those in here with a little more tape. And make sure when you're taping your sticks on, don't put them in front of the window. You want to put it all the way to the side like that. And I want to put it up high enough so it's not all the way down there because I want to give this some support. So I'm going to go up. And it's okay if the tape overlaps a little bit. Like that. That's okay. Let's do the other side. There we have the base for our theater. Now we have to decorate it. So for this one, I wanted to make it look like curtains. Now you can make your theater look however you want to make it. You can give it curtains or I don't know, whatever. And your curtains don't have to be red either. Very often they're blue or kind of purplish, whatever color, but I'm gonna make mine red and black again. It's kind of classic. So I'm going to, you can just paint it right on, or you can draw it on first. So I'm going to use a Sharpie just to kind of give me a little bit of guidance. So I'm gonna start up at the top, and this design is easy because there's a line right in the middle. All right, and then I'm going to do this part here. It's a little hard to see on this design, but it's just a guide for me. And also I wanna give it a little bit of an edge on top because I like the way that looks. Okay, So now I have my outline. Time to paint. Okay, so I'm going to start with the red paint. So these are my red curtains over here. All right, so there's the red part of my paint, but now I'm gonna fill it in with some black. There's my theater. Now if you want, you can paint the sides, you can paint the back, but you're probably not gonna see that part, so that's okay. You don't have to do that part. It's up to you. That's really all you need for your theater. But I wanna make some scenery, so, you know, we can actually put on a show. So that is the next part.
Hit like and subscribe for more crafts and stories. Whoa!